Hi everyone, this is Samruddhi from Samruddhi's Art and Classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw some yummy ice creams for summer. Let's start with the first one. First one is a very beautiful cone. Let's start by drawing a triangle, and then for the cup above, let's start by drawing some curves. Okay, draw around 4 to 5 curves according to the space that you have. Add a C shape on the top. You can add any kind of favorite design that you want. Then you add a cherry. For the cherry, you'll make circle and a curve. For the design on the cone, you'll start by adding some slanting lines. You can add again around 4 to 5 slanting lines. Next, let's start with the second one, which is a cup. It's an ice cream sundae. Let's start by drawing 2 sleeping lines and curves on both the sides. Then you can add around 3 scoops of ice cream on the top. Add 3 curves, 3 C shapes. For the decoration of the ice cream, you can add a wavy line. You can top it off with some cherries or any kind of sprinkles that you like. For the cup, let's start slanting line and slanting line. Join it with a sleeping line at the bottom. You can make a cute face on the cup, and then you can also add wavy lines. Design can completely depend on you. Add 2 cherries on the top. Looks perfect. Let's start with the third ice cream, which is a cone with a double scoop. We've already practiced these curves in our first ice cream. Draw curves and add 2 C shapes on the sides. Top it off with another scoop of ice cream. Add some curves. Add a C shape on the top. The ice cream is dripping a little bit, so we are going to draw waves. Add some sprinkles. Add some chocolate wafer on the side. Time to draw the cone. Slanting line and slanting line to make a triangle. Add wavy lines on this cone, and again add wavy lines on the other side. Looks perfect. Now let's start painting. For the first ice cream, let's go with a bright pink shade. It's my favorite, strawberry ice cream. You can use a flat brush to paint. Use a standing line stroke to paint. You can add some red color at the bottom for shading. Then try to mix it with pink color. For the cherry, you'll also use the same red color. Looks good. For the cone, let's go with yellow ochre and brown alternate. Be careful while painting. Next, let's add some brown color. I'm using light brown shade for the same. You can use a sleeping line stroke here to paint. Looks super delicious. Let's move to the second ice cream. Let's start with some deep yellow color for the first cup or the first ice cream scoop. It's mango flavor. Second, orange flavor, so we'll go with some orange color. For the third scoop, I'm going to go in with some dark orange shade. It will complement the two other scoops well. Looks yummy. For the design that we have made on the top or the syrup, let's go with shades of blue. Starting with some light blue on the top. Next, going in with some ultramarine blue. You can add around 1 or 2 drops of water when you are painting so that you get the right consistency. Third is a Prussian blue. It's a dark blue shade. Again, for the cherries, you'll go in with some red color. For the cup, I'm going with some grey color, grey mixed with a little bit of orange, just to create a nice effect. For the cup, let's go with some light green color. Looks good. Again, sleeping line stroke. Again, using light blue for the wavy part of the ice cream. Amazing. Let's move to the third ice cream now, starting with some purple color, bright purple shade. Using pink for the ice cream. Again, use sleeping line stroke. Be careful while painting. Next, for the next scoop, let's mix a little bit of orange and red color to get a dark orange shade. Again, paint it in sleeping line, adding slight light orange color on the top just to create a shading effect. For the cone, let's go with yellow ochre for the base. We'll try to create some shading for this cone. For the base, use yellow ochre, and then for the shading part, you can go with brown color. Add brown color lightly first, and then you can add it according to your liking. Adding some dark brown now. Looks good. Try to merge it with yellow ochre again so that there are no harsh lines. For the chocolate wafer, we'll again go with some brown color. Looks good. Now it's time to decorate with a white paint. Adding some sprinkles for the ice cream. Add a wave here. Curves for the ice cream again for the detailing part. Adding 2 cute dots for the cheeks. For the third ice cream, adding some sprinkles. Add some curves for more detailing, and that's how you do it.